everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal. Have you ever noticed how traffic lights control vehicle on the road? Red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means go. In today's project, we are going to create a traffic light simulation in Scratch. We will use coding blocks to change the light automatically just like real traffic signals. So get ready to build your own smart traffic light system. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Now let's jump into Scratch. Now let's start making our traffic light simulation. First, delete the sprite cat. Let's upload a backdrop. Upload backdrop. I will take road and here is my road backdrop. I will delete this backdrop one now. And you can take these backdrop and sprites from the description if you want the same thing. Now I will upload a sprite that is traffic light. All of them. First red and I will make, these are too big first of all. So I need to make it small. So let's take 35. 35 is enough. Okay. So now I will name this traffic pole. Okay. Let's go to its costumes. Upload costume that is yellow and upload costume that is green. Perfect. Now let's go to code and do the coding. So first let's take when flag clicked looks, go to front layer. Now we are going to make a my block. In this we are going to write light block because every time we are going to change the light. The light block is indicating the thing. Next, we are going to add an input. Here we will write light and add another. Here we will write time. And I will run without screen refresh. Okay, so here is it. And now let's do some coding. After this, go to front layer, take a forever loop, go to events, take a broadcast message that is, let's say green light first. Green light. Okay, now let's go to my block. Take light block. First we are going to put the light, so green. Let's take capital G R E E N because it should be the same or else it will not show that. And the time I will put is 10 seconds. Perfect. Now I will duplicate this. New message that is yellow light. Okay. And I will put light block to yellow, capital YELLOW, and I will put the yellow light for 2 seconds because we don't want so much. And I will duplicate these both. Now we don't have to change the yellow light now, we just have to change the green light that we have duplicated. So instead of broadcast green light, let's put red light. Okay, and light block, let's check. Capital R E and D. Capital R E D for 10 seconds. Now let's do the coding of the defined light block. For that, first go to look, switch costume to light. So upon the first row, it's going to change the costume. And now we are going to take a variable that is light time. Okay, and set light time to time. Upon the seconds, it will wait. Take a repeat block and in the repeat 10 instead of 10 just take time. Okay, and then in this we are going to put wait 1 second and go to variables, change light time by -1. Our traffic pole coding is done. Let's see the effect, that how it will work. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. Time going on and green light here. Perfect. 2, 1. Okay, yellow light for 2 seconds. Done. 10 seconds red light. Okay. And now it will be yellow and then green. The process goes on. Very nice. Okay, now we will upload one more sprite. That will be my penguin. Okay, I will name this penguin. Let's go to costume. This is penguin 1. I will upload costume, penguin 2 and penguin 3. Okay, and these two of our walking movements. This was only there in our scratch. We changed the position of leg a little bit and made it a walking position. And let's make this size 50 and it will stand over here. Okay, its position is this. And now let's go to code. I will take when flag clicked, switch costume to penguin 1, go to front layer and switch costume to penguin 1, then go to X 20 and Y 45 and point in direction 90. So now let's take when I receive red light, go to control, take repeat 10 times, go to looks, switch costume to penguin 2, then go to motion, change Y by -9, control, wait 0.25 seconds and now duplicate this and switch costume to penguin 3. After this, copy this and remove this when flag clicked. Go to events and take when I receive yellow light. Go to front layer, switch costume to penguin 1 and it will go on its position and point in direction 90. Perfect. We can also change the Y value. I will make it 40 and over here also I will make it 40. And one thing we have to change, that remove this wait 0.25 seconds at the last. And now let's see. Okay, waiting. Wait. Okay, moving nicely. The code is going nicely and perfectly. And it's moving outside at the right time. Perfect. Now, the last thing we are going to upload, that is our car. Okay, let's take our car. Point in direction 180. Name car. Size. We can put the size 25. And now, first position will be, if the Y will be 0, let's see where it, oh, not there. And in the middle, okay, -50. And this will be -240. Take a when flag clicked. After when flag clicked, motion, go to X -240, Y -50. Point in direction 90 and at the top you can put go to front layer. Now we are going to make a variable that is green count. Okay, and I will hide this. So set green count to 0. Here green count variable we have put for the car movement. When the green count will start, it will move in a little low speed. And then when the penguin will pass, it will go in a little higher speed so that it could cross till there in just 2 moves. And it will wait there till the penguin will pass. Then afterwards it will show here and it will go here, and the process will start again and again like this. After this, take when I receive green light, variables, change green count by 1, repeat 10 times, then go to motion, change x by, go to operators, take a multiplier by sign, that is 9 multiplied by green count. So it will be 9, and then control wait 0.25 seconds, and then I will duplicate this and here. Okay, it will move like this. After this, take a if then, take a equal to sign. If green count is equal to 2, you can see the green count is 1 first, 0, then 1, then only till this code will run because this is of equal to 2. So the green count is not 2 till now. So that is why this is known as false till that time. And then it will change by green count by 1. So it will run this code and this code also. That is how it will change its speed. Now after this, if green count is equal to 2, then variables change green count to 0. And now I will duplicate these two blocks, go to x minus 240, y minus 50 and point in direction 180. And let's see how it will work. We didn't say point in direction 90. Oh, point in direction 180. We didn't change that. So we have done one mistake. Now let's fix that. Instead of change green count by 0, take set green count to 0. Okay. Now let's see the effect, how it will work. Okay, slow motion. Perfect. Okay, 2, 1. Safely went the penguin. Yellow light and green light now. Car to move. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, car at the starting. Penguin to move. And perfect. It is now moving perfectly. Now, just one thing we have to do is add a background sound. So, I will take when flag clicked, forever loop, go to sounds, delete this pop sound. I will choose a sound, go to loops, and I will take this OD song and softer. Okay, perfect. So now in the forever loop, put this. And our game is fully complete. Now let's go on big screen. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, green light, car is moving nicely. Okay, penguin to move now. And sound is nice on this game. Perfect. Very nice. Car to move. And in just 2 moves, it passed by. Bye bye car, and now again here. Actually. Penguin here at the right time. It went safely. And the process is repeating again and again. Penguin to move again. And this is our last round. Okay, now car to move. Okay, done. And our game is perfectly done. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share this video to your family and friends. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Have a good day.